A key recommendation of the Federal Tax Ombudsman remains unimplemented by the Federal Board of Revenue, wherein the FTO has unearthed massive irregularities in the FBR's taxpayer registration system. It has observed a serious loophole in the IRIS module, which is being misused by unauthorized persons. It is reliably learnt that a landmark order has been issued by the FTO in a complaint preferred by Shahid through Wahid Shahzad Butt Advocate. The FTO has detected that by not pressing the condition of the cell number of the CNIC holder, the department has opened a floodgate for unlawful and unauthorized persons to exploit the user-free IRIS system for their nefarious designs. It is recommended to the FBR to ensure that at the time of registration, the taxpayer should provide his own cell phone number, duly registered in his name at least 30 days earlier, and his email as was required in the original user-free IRIS module. Complainant stated, quite surprisingly, it was categorically stated by Rahmatullah Khan Wazir, the then member, Taxpayers Audit, in a report submitted on automatic selection for audit under Section 214D, that 428,830 returns belong to taxpayers with NIL tax paid or NIL turnover. But no one in FBR is willing to consider the aspects of potential planned tax robbery or evasion seriously. Earlier, the FTO has issued a notice to the Chairman FBR, Secretary Revenue Division, and Member IT FBR for initiating disciplinary proceedings against PRL, IRIS, FBR, and IT Wing employees. The FTO order states, the complaint was filed against 1. Unauthorized access to the complainant's CNIC, and 2. Unilateral issuance of NTN and unlawful filing of return and wealth statement. The complainant, a non-filer individual, purchased a motor vehicle during April 2018. According to the AR, after paying all dues and taxes applicable, the complainant sought services of an agent operating in the vicinity of the RTO, Naba Road, Lahore, for registration of the vehicle. He alleged that the above agent, in connivance with officials of the FBR, Lahore, got unilaterally issued NTN in the complainant's name, in spite of the fact that he had never submitted such an application. Subsequently, on the same day, again without knowledge and permission, someone working in the FBR or IRIS filed an online income tax return together with a wealth statement showing nil income and wealth. They, the unauthorized persons, supplied to the department a fake cell phone number, 009230977555393, and email ID, mosintex982@gmail.com. The CNIC was admittedly handed over with the complainant's consent to the agent for the purpose of registration of the vehicle and payment of taxes, etc., as a non-filer. The fact, however, remains that while obtaining NTN, a fake cell number and email address had been used. Although initially, as per SOP issued regarding the new user-free IRIS registration module, the new taxpayers were required to disclose their cell numbers with SIM registered against their own CNIC. The department, by withdrawing this important check, had thus created a serious loophole in the IRIS module. This loophole is being exploited by unauthorized and unscrupulous persons for their ulterior interests at the cost of innocent taxpayers and the government exchequer. Notwithstanding the position discussed supra, by not pressing the condition of the cell number of the CNIC holder, the department has opened a floodgate for unlawful and unauthorized persons to exploit the user-free IRIS system for their nefarious designs. The FTO ordered.